Ready? Start. It is very careful about preserving that reputation. Let us not, therefore, pursue this talk of expropriating foreign capital. It is not worth it. We are not such a poor country as to go about indulging in tactics which will lose us the goodwill and the credit of the world, and which will perhaps leave a feeling of wrongdoing in our minds and hearts. Even inside our own country, we cannot think of schemes and policies in isolation. We deal, for example, with the Jamindari system and other schemes relating to land, what are referred to as schemes of social engineering cannot often be dealt with the normal way of acquisition of land or property. We cannot acquire the whole land at once. We have to go about it gradually. We have to find out about our capacity to pay, and when then the payment can be graded. That is of when we acquire the property, as we did in the case of jamindars. The relatively poor jamindar gets full compensation 100%. Another person may get about 80%, in third 70, and the fourth 60. There is no trouble there, but let us look at the industrial and business ventures. We are acquiring the Imperial Bank. So far as I know, we are paying pretty full compensation in whatever form it may be. By not doing so, we may save a little money here and there, but it will injure us. It will be even more wrong in the case of the small owners not to give them full compensation. I am surprised that one of these minutes of dissent hints that we are not put out to harm the small owners. I submit that it is an unfair charge. Nobody can do it. How can we, this parliament or this government? Can anybody conceive of this parliament or any other legislature going out to harm the small owner? The self-interest of the average member will shout out against such a step, if nothing else. Coming to industrial property, our approach is that the government should never acquire any old plant except for the purpose of holding some strategic point for the benefit of planning. The reasons behind this approach are obvious. We are an underdeveloped country. Industrially speaking, we cannot want to industrialize the country. We want hundreds of factories to go up in every corner of the country. Stop.